Hey, what's up everybody around the world? Welcome back to another awesome tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. Today I'm going to show you just a quick tutorial how to create dome in Revit because we just create our massing and side. Then after that we create our detail component, then we load into our project. We will done our dome in this tutorial. Anyway, this is your first time reaching out to my channel and you didn't know about me yet. My name is Ben from Revit Global Knowledge. I'm going to help you from zero to hero and from beginner level to professional level. Don't forget to hit subscribe button below and make sure turn on for notification because you will got more notification when I got upload my video. And in my previous tutorial I got announcement for disclaimer for my tutorial will be released for every Saturday, but don't worry about that. I will make more content for every week. I just give reminder at least one a week because depend and I got more time to do that and I got less work on my project. Anyway, let's stick around together for this tutorial, and this one is my previous one. I want to review first before I start to show you how to do that. This one is our dome that we are going to create that. So may I close this one for a few seconds? I just close this one first, and for sound I want to close also. Alright guys, so here is my structure architecture template. I just keep reminding because I have opening one before we starting our project because I don't want you to take time waiting me to open another template here. And you can also you can use this one for architecture template because we are using for architecture template. I would like to go to file first, then finding for new, go to family here, go to English. We need to find for some kind of generic model for pattern base. Yes, that guy. Just double click here one. Okay, so now we read our family interface. I want to change shape here first. Select my rectangle panel here. Take a look on my property panel. You just drop down finding for let me see. Okay, we use this one for triangle band. This one. And going to my floor plan first because I want to place my reference point here. I just select my reference point here, then select my point here, then plus for every corner that have number, hit escape a couple times, come back to my 3D. In this case, sometimes you might be need to use your tab key to select the correct one, like mine. And here I would like to assign for parameter first because later on we can adjustment. I just give a name is for offset. You can give a name as what you want. It easier for you to remember. I would like to use this one because it easier for me. Go to my family type again, and this one changing for, I think we use 1.2 meter is enough for this one. Apply, it is okay. All right, let me take a look. It's perfect. So we need to select another guy here. Just use my tab key on my keyboard until I got what I want. The last guy here. Okay, so now let's me draw my model first. Just like my model, use line. I start. Okay, sorry, this one. Use line again. Start from here. Make sure you open for 3D snapping. Okay, this one is missing because I hit Ctrl Z, so I need to offset back first. Okay, go back to my line here. I start from here. until here. I just remind you, make sure you turn on for 3D snapping. Hit escape, finding for point. I will point the center one. What I want is the center line here for reference. It's time to draw our model here. Select my model here, go to line. Start from the corner bottom one to the top one and to this one to make it a triangle shape. And this one also, hit escape. Let's draw another view. Okay, as you can see, this one is wrong, so I would like to delete first. Okay, the last guy here. Hit escape. So this one now, the top one is useless already. I want to delete first. And this one also, all is useless. Alright guys, so now it's time to create our form here. I just select my line here, one, and here, and this white guy also. Make sure you take for in reference line that Revit allows you to create your form. Drop down for form. I just want to use for the thickness one, and this one also. Hit a tab key until I can select my point here. Control Z, hit Control key on my keyboard for multiple selection. Solid, and use this one. Alright, it's perfect. By the way, here you can assign for material also, but I don't want to assign them because just a quick tutorial. You can create that by yourself. I will give you a concept. You just like here, and here you can take a look for material here, and you can drop down here, and this one you can create a new material here, same as our create our parameter for offset, and you can assign for material as well. So I just give you first a quick example. Just give it for M like this. Hit OK. Then you can go to your family type here. As you can see, here is family that you can choose this what material that you want. That for me, I just leave it like this. First, I'm going to load into my project first. Load into project. It's time to create our meshing and side. Take a look on my toolbar here. Go to my meshing and side. Use in place mask. Hit cloud first. Just rename it for dome like this one, and I use for rectangle one. Sorry, not rectangle, it's a circle one. I just start pop up from here, something like this. Let's make it bigger, big. Yes, 10 meter. I think it's enough. Hit escape a couple times. Go to my 3D here, and I go select my circle here. Create form, select form. Then I choose it for the round one. And again, I want to hide for the bottom one. I just select my top one, something like this. Drop down for create form, choosing for void form. This one will be disappear, so the top one again, and change device surface. Drop down for finding for that material we are create for our previous one. Okay, this one is family file. Just click here, and boom, you done your dome here. It's very fast in the Revit, and I just hit finish first. As you can see now, everything is quite fine. Is look parametric, is look better a lot, and of course you can add floor plan as well because we use our meshing and side. You can add another floor here and floor here as well. Let me give you a concept. You just select here, then you can select the map floor here as well. for create floor, the set floor will be follow this one. If you didn't know yet how to using meshing inside, you can check that link in description. I will put in description, so link in description for meshing inside. Anyways guys, it's pretty much for this tutorial, just a quick tutorial one. I hope you got learn something new about that, and make sure hit subscribe button below and turn on notification. Your like and your subscriber is motivate me to do more content about Revit. And don't forget, take a look on the end card. I will got recommendation for tutorial that I have highly recommend for you watch next, or you can take a look for my end card, which one that you are interested, you can go through and take a look. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I see you for another tutorial for next project. Thank you and have a nice day.